impact to CEG appears minimal. A contango forward curve leads to EBITDA rising from $90 to $105 million from 2011 through 2014, with EPS rising from 6 cents in 2011 to 11 cents in 2014, an ROE of 3.5%. For CEG to have created value above invested cash, EBITDA needs to rise to above $150 million and EPS to greater than 30 cents per share. This requires spark spreads to rise by $7 per megawatt hour over 2011 levels or a recovery in capacity prices. The bank sees fiscal 2010 EPS of $3.30 versus the street estimate of $3.26 per share, and for fiscal 2011 an EPS of $3.40 per share versus the street estimate of $3.43 per share. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website for more on this story. That's tradethetrend.com.